Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if your Instagram is not opening right now. Sometimes this happens because of Wi-Fi or connection issues. So the first thing you need to do is go to your settings. Just tap on it and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and no VPN is active. After that, go back, scroll down and open General. Just tap on it. Then go to Software Update and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Next, scroll down and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then choose Reset and select Reset Network Settings. After that, go back again and open the App Settings section on your iPhone. Wait for a moment, then search for Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it, go to the App Permissions, and make sure everything is allowed. Now go back again, open General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Wait for it to load, then scroll down and find Instagram. Tap on it, select Offload App, and then reinstall it from here. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. So that's the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.